Hey everyone, Jason here. Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic Parmesan chicken. It's very good, it's rich, creamy. You can make it in one pot and you can serve it with noodles, mashed potatoes, or rice, so whatever you prefer. So let's take a look at the ingredients and get started. So here's the ingredients for our garlic Parmesan chicken. Also, if you check in the description box, I'll have the full recipe there. So I have 4 chicken breasts cut up into sizable chunks. We're going to use half a cup of whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. I have 6 cloves of garlic minced. I have about 2 cups of baby portobello mushrooms. We're going to use about 1 tablespoon of flour, about 3/4 of a cup of shaved Parmesan cheese. We're going to use about 2 tablespoons of butter and about half a cup of chicken bouillon and salt and pepper. That's about it, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first we're going to brown our seasoned chicken in some olive oil. We're going to brown all sides. Okay, we're going to turn it all over and brown the other side. Okay, now that we have both sides browned, we're going to start removing this and set the chicken aside. Next, we're going to add in our butter. And we're going to go ahead and saute our mushrooms in the butter. Okay, after your mushrooms have gotten nice and sauteed, starting to get golden brown, we're going to add our garlic. You want to cook your garlic until it becomes fragrant. Don't overcook your garlic, otherwise it'll get bitter. Next, we're going to add in our 1 tablespoon of flour. And we're going to cook that just until we can get rid of the raw flour taste. Next, we're going to add in our chicken stock. It's going to deglaze our pan. That's going to deglaze our pan. Next, we're going to add in our heavy cream. Give that a stir. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper. Next, we're going to add in our Parmesan cheese. And next we're going to add in our fresh chopped parsley. Next we're going to add our chicken back in to our garlicky sauce. So we're going to let this cook back in the sauce for about 2 minutes. And then we're going to plate this up. Okay, Trev and Riley, you want to try the garlic Parmesan chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. See if you like it.
It's so good.
You like it? Cool. All right. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and also please subscribe.